Hello guys. So mom and I are currently sitting here in the vaccine line. Mom has already been vaccinated, but I am able now to get vaccinated, so that is what we're doing. Are you excited?
Very excited.
We are excited. So I'm getting my first dose right now. Mom is fully vaccinated, and Colby got his first dose last week, last Saturday, I believe. So that is exciting. But yeah, so that's what we're sitting here doing right now, and I will check back in a few minutes after we get it done. Hey guys, it is now about 8 p.m. on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. It's been about 8.5 hours since I got the first dose of the vaccine. Starting at about an hour, maybe, no, it wasn't an hour, probably 2 hours after, I started feeling just really tired. And I've kind of had that all day. I just feel like I've had all of the energy drained from me. My arm is sore, but it's not, I mean, it's just like a normal shot, it would be sore. But I've actually pushed back new releases until tomorrow. I just made the announcement because I feel like I just can't physically do that right now. I'm just really tired. I thought about laying down, but it was so late by the time I was going to that I decided not to. So, Colby and I are currently just both sitting on the couch working. That's kind of what I've been doing since I got home. So I'm sitting here just, if you guys can see, working on some design stuff, finishing up a couple of things. I want to work on the functional items that are coming up for the subscription bundle. I've already been working on it, but I want to kind of go back in and do a little bit more. But yeah, so that's what today's looking like. Pretty boring. I had originally planned on going back over to mom's to work after I got that done. But I kind of pretty quickly started just feeling like just no energy. So decided it would be easier to kind of take it a little slow, kind of relax a little bit. Did you have something you want to say? Oh, I thought you were trying to say something. No. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on. We made dinner. I made dinner. And last night, Colby actually sliced open his finger.
I got a boo-boo.
He's bandaged.
Yeah.
So he was opening a can of dog food, and the thing popped off the lid, so he had to get a can opener, and he's left-handed.
Hey, send prayers, and if you don't do that, send positive vibes.
Send good juju. Anyway, so as he was doing that, the part of the can, like a little piece of it just didn't come off, and for some reason he reached down and grabbed that piece and tried to pull it off, which of course sliced his finger wide open. So
hey, do they know that I got my first dose?
yeah, Colby got his first dose of the vaccine last Saturday. I'm not sure if I mentioned that or not. And he didn't feel very well either, but he felt much worse than like what I'm feeling right now. He actually was really nauseous. He had a little bit of like, what am I trying to say? What was it?
I was like really, I was really spacey. Like I just wasn't.
Which is how I feel.
Yeah, I just wasn't.
But you also said heart. You also said you had like heart racing type.
Yeah, it was kind of like some kind
Look
of
at
panic,
Ozzy.
some kind of like panic attack type ordeal. It wasn't like a panic attack, but everything was just a little bit overwhelming for me that day, I guess.
Yeah.
I couldn't adjust as well as to normal life, if you will.
Right. And I kind of have that same feeling of just being like a little bit spacey, but I think that's just because I'm so tired. So yeah, that's just an update on, what's going on. Mom and Mike have already also been vaccinated. I don't know if I said that or not. Mom on her second dose got sick for about 12 hours with a fever and headache and whatnot. And then Mike was totally fine. But yeah, just a little update. Aussie baby's hanging out here with us. Say hello. And then Aspen is also, well, she's kind of going back and forth up on the couch, and I don't know where she actually is right this second. She next to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's over on the floor next to Colby. So yeah, just a little update. And then I'm probably gonna go ahead and record my screen so that you guys can see some of this design work, and I will insert that footage. Thursday night. I'm feeling slightly better. I just got out of the tub, if you can't tell. And I just wanted to show you guys, we are doing a little FaceTime champagne toast. Are you kidding? He has headphones on. He didn't realize that I was filming. Hello? Hello? I'm over here talking and you just come out and...
My bad.
Anyway, we're going to be doing a little toast. She just bought her first home, her and her husband, super excited. So me and her and then a few of our friends are all doing like a FaceTime call toast thing. So I thought that would be, I don't know if they're gonna, what?
I'm waiting on you.
Oh, anyway, so I was just gonna kind of show you guys that. I don't know how to open champagne, so. You know how to open champagne?
Maybe.
Oh no, that sounds dangerous. I'll try to open it. But anyway, that is what we are about to do. How do I open this?
You're kind of careful.
Is it gonna shoot?
Towel. Grab like a hand towel.
Oh, you actually got champagne. Okay.
Was I not supposed to?
Oh no, because you asked how to open it. I was like, oh, I just assumed that you
So
got.
you gotta like take the foil off at the tear part, at the perforated part.
Yeah, there should be like a
Are you
little.
going to actually explain to her how to do this properly, or
Yes.
is this going to be you lead somebody in
Okay.
doing something?
Okay, and then take the cage part off. So you just like twist where the
Remove the metal.
Oh, this is funny. You should wipe.
Is it gonna explode?
No, you're
Hi,
fine.
Brian. Congratulations.
He's like,
She's
I don't
gonna
know,
open this
he's trying to
champagne
tell me
bottle.
right now.
No, you guys are scaring me. Is it gonna explode?
No,
No.
you're fine.
Wait,
just
I don't.
take
Baby,
it straight off.
I even that more so. Since
He has a mask too because he works outside. So like
I see a little bit.
Up here it's very dark.
You should have
Okay,
seen it yesterday, though, to be
take
honest
the
with you.
towel and shh. I'm gonna talk to Nick.
What are you mean?
Stop. Okay. Take the towel and hold the cork,
Off.
and then twist the bottle. Don't twist the cork. Just twist the bottle kind of slowly, and
Oh.
you'll feel it kind of give.
Okay.
Yeah. And then just keep going.
Oh!
Oh, there she.
Hey, she did it.
Yep.
Yay!
I thought that was gonna do it.
It's alright. You just pour alcohol on it.
You guys wave for the vlog. Hey guys, it is Saturday, which means it is errand running day and cleaning day. So it's about noon. I have been kind of just doing laundry around the house, picking some stuff up, and now I need to run out and pick up a few things. We did go grocery shopping on maybe Tuesday, so I don't have to do that. I did pick up a couple of things the other day that we needed, but I think we're gonna be good on that until hopefully next week. But I need to go grab, number one, some heavier dumbbells. I'm hoping I can find them. I don't want to buy the Peloton ones. They're so expensive, so I'm hoping that I can find some at Target. That is where I've gotten my others, and their prices are much better. So I need to go and pick that up. And then what else? I have a list. I need to grab a couple of things for the dogs. So I think the only place I'm gonna have to go is Target. Hoping. Today is the first day that I've felt like 100% since I got the first dose of the vaccine. Yesterday I was able to work all day. Like, I was okay, but I just felt really tired. And that's basically all that I've felt after that first dose, was just like drained of all of my energy. Other than that, like, I didn't have a fever. I just felt sleepy. I didn't feel nauseous. Colby felt really nauseous. But yeah, so I get the second dose on May 4th, Star Wars Day. So excited for that. And then when I get back today, I need to do everything related to the subscription bundles. Today is I think it's the 3rd. Yeah, the 3rd. So spots open up on the 5th and they charge on the 5th. So I want to go ahead and get up the the reveal video, and I've got those with me. I printed them with new releases. I believe I already did a sneak on Instagram and in the Facebook group, but I want to do the full video. Don't know that I want to keep doing that. I kind of go back and forth. It seems like it spoils the fun of it being like a subscription or like a mystery if I show the whole thing, instead of just kind of doing what I used to do, where I would just show like a couple of the boxes so you guys could get an idea of what it was. I don't know, you guys can let me know down below, but that is kind of what I've got planned for today. I'm going to do all of that. I'm going to work out once I get back. I just realized I think I walked out the door without my food. Yes, I did. So I might, well, I don't want to go back in and upset the dogs, so I guess I'll just wait until I get back home. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Couple of errands, cleaning, a little bit of work. I'm probably going to design some when I get back as well, and then I'm gonna take the dogs probably to the lake. It's pretty nice out. It's 52 right now, but I think it's supposed to get up to like 65. So that is what my Saturday is looking like, and I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so it is now Monday night, and I'm gonna end this vlog here, but I wanted to show you guys, I got this in the mail today. So this is a B6 coil planner from OK Plans, and I wanted to kind of show you guys the inside of it. Let me, first of all, I'm just gonna set you guys down. I'm sorry. So I wanted to open this really quickly. So there is a little note, as well as a cute little freebie. So you've got her Facebook group here, her Instagram. I'm just gonna hold this up for you guys. You've got her Instagram, her shop, and her YouTube. I will link this below as well. And then there's this cute little freebie in here. And then this really cute little card as well that is double-sided. So I wanna just kind of flip through this. I have been looking, as if you watch my channel, I'm sure you have heard, for a new coil-bound planner. Speaking of, have you guys seen the floral Erin Condren that's coming out? I don't want it for vertical, but I really love it for horizontal. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it was in the insider email. So anyway, this is the B6, and I picked out this rainbow cover, which is super cute. It is laminated really nicely. It's like nice and thick, which is good. So, and then I did a black coil, which looks, this isn't like a review, but it kind of is. Looks perfect. It's not nicked anywhere. It isn't like kind of chipping, which is an issue that I've had with some others. Looks really nice. And yeah, it just feels nice. It feels really good. This like opens and closes really nicely. If you guys can see, it is one that can be removed so that you could switch it out. And then once we get into the planner, the first thing I noticed, this paper is so thick, like in a good way. That's something that for me, I really like, is to have very thick paper in my planners. So we've got your perpetual calendar here, and then you've got just kind of some goal boxes. You could do these for whatever you wanted. And then got a line sheet. You have got your monthly spread here, and this is undated, which I also really, really love. As somebody who kind of goes back and forth between planners, it makes me feel like I am not wasting them. So here is your layout. So it is a vertical layout, not dated. The sections, if you can tell, they do have sections. They're just a small line. This is a B6, and it does have a full Saturday and Sunday, which was something that was really important for me. And then the bottom doesn't have lines or anything, but again, for what I want to do with this, that's totally fine. I don't mind that at all. But yeah, the paper is really nice, really soft, really thick. So I'm going to be doing, I was going to see if you could see the back, like if you could see Saturday through that. No, maybe a little bit, but you have to really be like angling it to get the light behind it. But if you're just like laid down, I guess you can see it a bit, but not anything crazy. The paper though is really nice. So let me keep flipping. I believe that this has enough weeks for the entire year. Or if you're like me and you're gonna kind of go back and forth, will last quite a while since it is undated. And then, it moves really, like, I know that sounds odd to say, but the way that it kind of moves on the coil is very nice, because I have had planners that did not move nicely on the coil, that kind of like got stuck or kind of pulled. This one moves really nicely. And then I was gonna see if there's anything else back here. I don't think so. I mean, I don't mind either way. I don't really use my planner that way. But I was just gonna show you guys if there was a note section or anything. Also, I'm not on a tripod, so I apologize for that. I don't think so. Yeah, maybe. I think we've got lined pages in the back. So you've got quite a few lined pages. Wow, like a lot of lined pages. Oh my goodness, a lot. So yeah, and then that's it. So super cute. I really like this a lot. It feels, this is probably the closest feeling planner to an Erin Condren that I have had. I feel like with a lot of them, it's just the paper for me is always way off. The cover as well, and like I said, the way that things kind of move on the coil, but this is really nice. So yeah, I will do some plan with me's in this here soon. And I think that's it. So here's your little freebie. But yeah, I'll link this down below if you're interested. She has B6. I know she had an A5 size, or that always confuses me. I know she has Erin Condren size, which I believe is an 8.5 by 11. And then I think she has A5, which I think is a different size as well. And then this is the B6, I think. Did I get B6? I think I did. Wait a minute. Maybe not. Maybe this isn't B6. This might be a different one. I'll put it right here. I'll go back and look. But yeah, so that is where I'm going to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a bit all over the place. But yeah, if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.